Are you spending a lot on multiple AI tool subscriptions? I've found a better alternative, GlobalGPT, a platform where you can access popular AI tools like DeepSeek, Perplexity, Flux 1.1 Pro, MidJourney, Luma AI, Runway, all in one place. No need for separate subscriptions. Let's explore it together. I'll walk you through the platform and share my thoughts on whether it's worth it. DeepSeek R1, a powerful AI model that rivals ChatGPT. I tested it by asking for Python code to create a web scraper, and it delivered perfectly. GPT-01 Preview. Great for solving math problems. I gave it a math problem, and it solved it quickly and accurately. Perplexity, an AI-powered search engine. It provides detailed answers with sources, making it great for research and current events. Flux Image Generator creates realistic images. I generated a photo of a girl taking a selfie, and the result was stunning. Flux 1.1 Pro is one of the best image generators available. Ideogram AI specializes in text-based images. I created a film poster, and the output was high quality. Luma AI and Runway, video generation tools. Luma AI creates videos from prompts, while Runway turns images into videos. Both produced amazing results. I highly recommend giving it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.